I don't know what it is, but it's like I hit a certain age and all of a sudden, like my whole body's sore to the point where I'm wearing like a heat pack while I work. But more importantly, you guys don't watch my channel to learn about my aching back. You watch it because you want to learn about streaming and, most importantly, today, some secret codes you can use to get specific content you're looking for in a hurry. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button right down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And like always, for the first hour to 2 hours of this video, I'll answer all of your questions and comments down below in the comment section. So drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Let me first explain what secret codes are, because I feel like that's the most obvious place to start. Not all of you know. Now, these are codes created from Netflix developers that are used to get to subcategories. So instead of just trying to look at, let's say, for example, horror films, you'll be able to look for horror comedy films. So you get a combination of two categories or three kind of put into one little niche, right? To make things a little bit easier for you to find instead of using these very generalized categories, which are far and few between at the end of the day. Now, these codes are always digits and always like usually between 4 to 8, however that can slightly vary. So let's start with code number 1, and that's going to be Sci-Fi Thrillers. Now that first code is 11014. So this will bring us to Sci-Fi Thrillers. So they should have some sort of psychological component to them, but still have that adventure thriller kind of, you don't know what's going to happen next aspect to them as well. A lot of them look like they're alien based, horror based. So there's a bunch of choices here. Now remember, what country you're in is going to drastically change the content that we see on this screen. So it won't be the same for everybody, but I would say this is pretty correct. So number 2 is soccer movies. Now I don't know who would want to watch a soccer movie. Okay, maybe some old school Amanda Bynes, but we're going to see if this is accurate. 12549, and it looks like, yes, there are in fact soccer movies with one basketball one thrown in there. So we have The World, Divine Ponytail. You can see it's not perfect. We have Jupiter's Legacy, not a soccer movie, not a football movie. Neymar, The Perfect Chaos, The March, Pele. So a lot of soccer movies thrown in with apparently some random action movies as well. So this next category is called epics, and I don't know what that's going to entail, but it's 52858. Now I just think of like epic adventures, so we'll see how close that is. I guess Ronin is kind of epic. Scary stories. I'm getting a little bit of epic here, but I don't think of Rugrats as the third most talked about epic show ever. So maybe this one's a bit of a fail. So epics, don't look up that code. Not helpful. Now our fourth code is Gangster Movies. So we have 31851. That's going to bring us to Gangster Movies. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, I would say this could be considered gangster. They have Biggie on there. I guess he was considered a gangster back in the day. The Irishman, gangster for sure. The Beast, I don't know about that. Cocaine Island, that sounds pretty gangster. Hateful Eight, gangster-ish, right? So yeah, I would say this is pretty accurate, and they have some good selections here, but we can see how they're really breaking down those categories to help you find videos on the platform you might not have been able to find otherwise. Okay, now our next one is If You Have Kids. This is kids TV, so it should be a simple way, except for, if you're outside of obviously the kids only account, to find kids channels. So the code is 27346, and this will bring us to kids TV. Let's see how accurate we are here. Okay, so kids TV. I mean, it's a little funny that the first one that pops up is level 16, but this shows that it's obviously not entirely accurate because this is a movie about pills. So I guess there's kids in that TV, but I don't know if I consider it kids TV. But Tom and Jerry, Igor, Arctic Dogs, I would consider at least half of these kids TVs, just maybe not Sniper or level 16. In my opinion, but some parents are going to be okay with watching that, so that's obviously entirely up to you. Now, for some good old military dramas, they made this one simple. It's just 11. So type in 11 and you'll get military dramas. They have a little bit of everything, some historical stuff, some stuff about other conspiracies, things like that. Extinction, so maybe some play on different military dramas. But there's a pretty wide selection here. Purge, that is could be considered like a military drama in some ways, depending on how you look at it, like because it's kind of militarized a bit, I guess, kind of. So this category definitely pretty accurate. They have some good stuff in here. RIPD 2 is another really good one. So yeah, pretty good selection in military dramas. Now, before we go any further, some of you are going to notice, although I'm in Canada, I'm actually on US Netflix, and there's a really simple way I'm doing that. And this is going to give me more content than I can ever get on Canadian Netflix, but also different content. Just like if you're in the US, having Canadian or UK Netflix is very valuable as well. Now, the way I did that is simple. I installed IP Vanish from the Amazon App Store. You can go ahead and install it. And then I connected to a US server, but there's actually tons and tons of different servers you can connect to. So if I'm tired of US Netflix with my secret codes, I can go connect to Australian Netflix. I can open Netflix right back up, and as soon as it loads, we can verify that it's on Netflix Australia. And it's pretty easy to verify that. You can now see it's showing all the Australian movies and TV shows. Now, if you want to lock in this deal and start upping your streaming experience, you can go ahead and get this deal for 77% off, $2.99 a month from IP Vanish. That's only it's only $2.99 a month. And you can get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you really can't beat that pricing. The link is down below in the description. And I also put a QR code on the screen for this part of the video just to help you guys out a little bit. Okay, now back to our secret codes, where we have a few more that I really want to cover. And the next one is for all you weebs out there. We got anime. That's right. I got you guys covered too. 7424. That's going to bring you to all the anime that Netflix has to offer, which isn't a crazy selection, but they definitely have some, right? They have some really classic anime. I've been wanting to watch the Castlevania one and Cyberpunk. I heard they're both not bad in terms of anime. Now, if you're a huge anime fan, you'll probably be using a different streaming service, but if you just like the ones Netflix has to offer, they do have some decent ones, including some originals that are worth watching, and you'll be able to access pretty much all of the known anime on Netflix exactly in this category. Okay, now next we have fantasy movies. Now this code is 9744. Simple and easy. And here is the selection of fantasy movies Netflix has. And I would say this is pretty accurate. How I Became a Superhero, IO, The Last on Earth, Luna Nera. That one actually looks decent, but I'm assuming that's a voiceover one. I'm not a huge fan of voiceover movies. Night Books, right? The Bureau of Magical Things. So definitely quite a few fantasy style movies in here that you're going to be able to watch. Another nice little code that otherwise wouldn't be available in their normal categories. Okay, now for all you Bollywood lovers, we got 10463, and this is going to pick up and put up Netflix's Bollywood content. Now, again, if you switch your VPN to India, you're probably going to get a lot more Bollywood style content. However, there's actually a lot more than you realize on Netflix. You can see those first 4 categories there are all Bollywood themed movies, it seems like. Or Indian movies, at least with main actors. So I don't want to say all Bollywood, but at least a decent selection. So you're able to get to them by typing in that code 10463. Now, for something that I find a little more boring, at least, we're going to type in 3278. And this is rock and concerts. So just all independent pop concerts, rock concerts, but it's not looking too accurate. So unless you're looking for something on Jeffrey Epstein or someone else in that mind, then yeah, you're not going to find much here for rock and pop concerts. So unfortunately, that seems like it's a dead code again. Okay, here's a good one. Sports comedy. So 5286. And I always find it interesting when I actually find a new show or movie on there that I didn't know was on here. So yeah, there's some sports comedies: Amateur, Home Team, Captains of the World. I didn't know that was a comedy. But yeah, there's 2 or 3, but obviously there's not a huge selection on Netflix to start with. So not the best, but there's at least a couple options. Okay, and lastly, we're going to do one called Spy Thrillers. So that is 9147. And yeah, definitely some spy thrillers: Coldest Game, Dangerous Lies, Special Correspondence. Fool Me Once is kind of a spy thriller. I haven't finished it yet, but it's looking pretty good. This is kind of like, I guess, like a mystery kind of one. So yeah, definitely some spy thrillers in here that you can check out as well. So that's everything for today's video. Just some simple Netflix secret codes that you can use to watch even a little bit more content without having to search around for hours. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. I'll see you in the next one.